guys, what's up? My name's Melinda Brooke and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. If you want, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to come join my big, crazy family. I'm gonna start off by saying I know there's probably a lot of mixed feelings about this video just because of the title and because of the word Christmas. Yes, let me clarify. I do understand that Thanksgiving is still a holiday in its own self and that it comes before Christmas and it has yet to pass. I know that. But let's be honest, who decorates for Thanksgiving? I mean, you just keep a couple pumpkins up from Halloween and then you move on to Christmas, you know? So today I am doing a Thanksgiving / Christmas room decor for your room. But everything I bought is from the dollar store. Guys, I did this for Halloween. I will link it up here for you guys. And I just had so much fun doing this. It made me try to be creative, but at the same time get super cute decorations and my room decorated for really cheap, which I don't know about you guys, but your girl balling on a budget, trying to be cute, but on a budget. So I love this video idea and just thought it would be perfect to continue it from Halloween to Thanksgiving and Christmas. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I ended up buying from the dollar store, and then I'm going to show you any of the DIY projects that I have to do, how I'm doing them, so that if you guys want to copy them at home, you can go ahead and do them yourself as well. And then we're going to put my room together. I want you guys to know that I spent a whopping $23 on everything that I bought to decor my room, and I can't wait for you guys to see how it turns out. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. If you do end up liking this video, give it a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below how excited you are for this holiday season, or is it just me? Anyway, let's cue the intro music and get into the video. These are cute to hang on the walls. These could be cute. I could get a little Christmas tree, a snowman, do like a little collage. Cute. I think we're gonna do this. So for Halloween, remember I didn't get any pillows, but I made a pillow, and I also didn't get a blanket. I already have Christmas pillows that I used to decorate my room, but let's try to make or find something like a blanket. I need to do at least one DIY project. Let's do green. How do you make a wreath? Shoot, how do you do this? I feel like I can hang these then from the wreath to decorate. I think I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna buy a set of flowers though. Okay, so I think I found everything I need. So like my last video, I'm not gonna show you everything right now because we're gonna go back to my house and I'm gonna show you guys everything there. So let's go. Welcome back. I made it home with all my crap. Oh, I forgot I had glass and I really hope I didn't break anything. Anyway, so as you guys know, I started off by seeing like this cute little snowman. And I was debating on which three I should get because I knew I wanted three because I had an idea of how I wanted to hang them in my room. So I ended up with the snowman. I got a little candy cane. And then I got a little stocking that says Merry Christmas. And I believe I got something else. Oh yeah. And I got a little hat that says Merry Christmas. Just me and my pal hanging out. Anyway, so if you guys watch my Halloween room decor video, then you know that I have two doors in my room and both of them need to be replaced, which I'm working on. But since I haven't replaced them yet, I went ahead and bought two door covers just to like kind of hide them and make them look cute for the holiday season, just in case. And it just has a little snowman on it, so they're cute. I was thinking like, what can I do to make a pillow for Halloween? I did it with a bag, go check it out. But for Christmas, I was like, dang, what am I gonna do? Like, I want it to be cute, but like I'm not going to do a Christmas bag, you know what I mean? So, I ended up seeing this. And it's like, it sits on the back of your chair, your desk chair, or any like house chair. And I was like, you know what? My mom and I came up with the idea where we can just stuff this and then sew the bottom and it'll be a pillow. Like, how freaking cute. So I ended up getting two because I was like, I want one for my actual chair, but I need to make a pillow. So I got those. So I ended up getting 2 packs of 10 count white lights. You guys will see why I bought these because it's part of a DIY project and it's going to be so cute. So the next thing I bought was garland. I bought 2 things of garland because I want to use one garland to go on my bed, like on my bed frame, and I decided to buy snowflakes in 2 different sizes so that I can hang them from the garland so that it looks really cute. Then I got another garland because I'm going to be making a wreath. Let me say that again. I'm going to be making a wreath. I keep repeating the word wreath because people say wreath and it drives me crazy. Okay, it's wreath with the TH, for those of you who don't know. Anyway, this garland is really nice because it's 15 feet long, which is like, for $1, that's pretty good. And then I ended up finding a little like DIY wreath frame. So I bought one of these, which I'm just going to intertwine this. I got a bow for my wreath. I got some flowers so I can like maybe hot glue gun them on to make it look pretty. And then I bought some little ornaments in both gold, red, and green so that I can just kind of make my wreath look cute. And I'm just going to hang them from there. So these 2 things are for my DIY project. With the light, I just got 2 jars. This is what I love about the dollar stores, that they have jars. So like, I can't wait for you guys to see what I'm going to do with these. They're really cute and it's a really good just like winter decoration, not so much Christmas, which is why I wanted to do this, because just in case you don't celebrate Christmas. So you guys are going to see what we're going to do with these in literally a couple minutes, so keep watching. So since I ended up getting like these and not the Christmas tree version of this, I decided I would just get like a little freestanding Christmas tree just because it's not Christmas without a tree. Am I right? Oh, my little hooks. I had to buy hooks for the wreath. You know, not everything you buy is going to be cute. You have to buy some things that are necessities for your DIY projects. But thank you, dollar store, for providing that all. I think that's it. I know it doesn't seem like a lot. A lot of the stuff was for a DIY. So let's get into the DIY. What I'm going to start off with is my wreath. I first want to grab the garland. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to like start by putting it through. And I'm going to twist it in so that it doesn't come out. And then I'm just going to start wrapping. Okay, so once I get, oh my god, this is so cute. Anyway, once I get all of it done, I don't want to tie it off yet because I want to spread out the garland a little bit just to see how much we can get away with. Because I did roll it really tight. I got mine like all the way around. So taking that end, that second end, I'm just going to loop it around to kind of tie it off to make sure that it stays. And we have the wreath part. Okay. Now, moving on. We know I got a bow, which we know the bow is just going to go on the bottom. Bow attached. What I'm going to suggest is that you kind of take out like your ornaments and your flowers and stuff, or whatever you used or you bought for your wreath, And start placing it before you actually like stick it down, because it'll be easier for you to move things around in case you don't like the way it looks or anything like that. So once you kind of get a feel for what you want, now you can go ahead and start putting everything down. So let me show you how I'm getting the flowers in. What you want to do is you want to take the stem, you want to just stick it through the center of the wreath lining, and then you just want to take it and twist, act like it's a twist tie, and you want to just wrap it around the wreath, and then you can just twist it around one of the barrels as if it's like a twist tie, and then it should stay. Okay, and then when you think you're done adding stuff and you like the way it looks, you're done. So this is what mine looks like. My camera's like really, the highlight is really up, or like the saturation's really up. So like it looks a little weird, but on my phone camera it looks really cute. Okay, so now it's time for my favorite one, well, at least one of them, because I'm really excited. I grabbed 2 jars, and as you can see, this one kind of has like, it curves out at the ends, and I'm okay that they look like 2 different jars. If you're not, just try to get 2 of the same exact ones but different sizes, to give you guys some level. And if you want, you can do this DIY with a 3rd. But what we're going to do is we're going to grab our lights, and we're going to go outside and pick a bunch of pine cones. Okay. You want acorns about this big, which are kind of small, but you're going to need smaller, like even thinner acorns, because you want them to really fit into the jar. You want to make sure there is some space though, so you don't want them to be too packed. And I'll explain why. Taking your jars, you wanna spill out your pine cones, but you wanna make sure that you're not losing them. And now what you wanna do is you wanna take your lights and you just wanna stick them in the jar. And then what I like to do is I'm just gonna keep this part out, because I'm going to end up taping it to the side. And now I'm going to hold the lights on out. I'm going to hold them a little, just so that they're not all bunched up in the same spot. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting the pine cones back in. How cute! How cute is that? So now I'm just gonna do the other one. It's done! And I think these are just gonna look so cute together. I think they're perfect as like a little light in your room when it's dark out. This together is $4. $1 for each jar, $1 for each light. And then free pine cones. Thank you, Mother Nature. So the last thing we have is a pillow. So this is to go behind your seat. So it's already closed, but then you have an open pocket right here. So what I need to do is stuff this. Now, what I did for my Halloween decoration pillow was I just stuck a pillow inside the bag, but this one might be a little harder because I don't think I have a pillow that fits in here. And if not, you can use stuffing, but you can't, I don't think the dollar store has stuffing, but what the dollar store does have is fake snow. You can buy like 5 or 6 packs of fake snow for $5 or $6, and just use that to stuff this pillow, and then just sew the bottom. So I was able to find a pillow. The only problem I'm finding is that I need something to stuff the little point. So what I actually have is, me and my mom both have this same scarf. I don't really wear this scarf, but it would be good, instead of like having it just sit around, to just shove it inside the little point. And it fits perfectly. And then I'm just going to start sticking the pillow in. And it fits perfectly, guys. How freaking cute. Now I'm just going to sew the bottom piece together. If you have a sewing machine, make your life easier and go ahead and just use the sewing machine. And then you're done, and now you can shake out the pillow and you have yourself a pillow. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Yay! Okay, we're finally done with the DIY, so now it's time for the fun part. Let's put together my room.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells,
Merry Christmas. Hey.
Cue the montage!
Hey.
So that is my room decor for Thanksgiving/Christmas. I really hope you guys like this video, got some ideas. I hope you guys drive over to your local dollar store or Dollar Everything and go buy everything that they have, because they have such cute stuff and it's so cheap, guys. Go decorate your rooms for whatever holiday you celebrate, and just, you know, happy holiday season. I'm so excited. I love Christmas. Okay, well, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below to come join my big crazy family. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below which decoration was your favorite, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that, cooking up dope in the crock pot, we came from nothing to something, nigga, I don't trust nobody.